Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will crochet border for blankets and for edges. So let's get started. So I'm going to chain 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 and we're going to chain 3 from here. So 14, then chain 3, 2 and 3, yarn over to go right in the third chain, make double crochet, and then in all of the loops we're going to make double crochet. So you can see this is how it's going to look like. So into chain 1 and turn it over, then I'm going to come right in this loop here, to, to make single chain each of the loops. Chain 1, turn around our work, and going to count 1 2 3. So yarn over, put in this third loop, double crochet, yarn over, make 6 double crochet, so we have 1 2 3 4 5 6. Then going to count 1 2, second one, and see, this is how it's going to look like. Then going to yarn over 1 2 3, 6 double crochet, then going to come here 1 2, then to yarn over again, 1 2, the third loop, so we have 1 2 3, 1 2 3 6. Then we're going to come right here, so you can see this is how it's going to look like finally. So I have this one over here and I have this one, the small one. So what I did is chain of 14, then chain 3, and on the third chain here you make a double crochet, then we're going to continue double crochet, then in the end you make 1 single crochet, turn over, and you make all single crochet in each of the loops. Then going to make 1 here, then just 1 2 3, in the third loop you make 6 double crochet, and then just leave 1 space. In the second loop you make slip knot, and then 1 2 3, in the third loop you make 6 double crochet, and continue the same way till you get this desired design for crochet. It's a border, so you can make this border for your blankets, for your edges, and for edges for the cushions, and many other projects. So please, if you like my video, see you next time in my video. Bye bye till then.